Today, I'm going to demonstrate how to assemble this rocking chair step by step in an easy way. So let's start by unboxing the chair as it comes from Amazon. The box was left by the Amazon driver in the front door. Now I'm proceeding to cut the tapes and to unbox the material. Now I'm proceeding to cut the tapes and to open the box. Remember to tilt the box into the correct position to open as I'm showing here. As you can see, all the pieces come in a well organized manner, also protected with white ecopor and foam. I actually like the way it's organized and protected. This is, in my opinion, a high quality professional packing. In this moment, I'm taking all the pieces from the box and organizing them on the floor. The idea is to have everything organized according to what's written in the user's manual. This is what it comes in the box, as you can see now perfectly organized on the floor. The next step, before the first step, is to take the manual. We're going to take it together and we're going to count every piece against the manual to verify that everything is complete and that we're ready to assemble. This is the image of the user manual against the actual pieces. Pieces A and B that are the legs of the chair. The piece C, that's the back of the chair. The piece D, that's the seat of the chair. And the pieces E, that are two sticks that are part of the chair as well. Remember to double check that you got the 12 bolts with the hex spanner, and it also comes with a sanding sponge. That's for cleaning the edges or if there is any imperfection on the wood. Step number 1. Attach the right arm A to the seat D and secure with 4 bolts F. Before you attach the seat, it is important to double check the position of the arms with respect to the seat. Notice that there is a sharp edge on the outside of the legs. Let's look at the picture, and what I'm talking about, it's labeled inside the red circles here. Those sharp edges, it's what I'm showing here in the actual chair. Also notice that the longer part that's inside the yellow oval, it's going in the back, while the shorter part of the chair, inside of the green circles, is going in the front. You can use your hands to insert the bolts. I would recommend to build this chair with a partner because some of the parts might be heavy for some people and it would be easier. But in my case, since I'm recording myself, I'm going to show you how, in my experience, I built it. Part D is one of the heaviest part of this chair. So what I did is that after I installed the two sticks that are part E's, I placed the structure on the ground and I used gravity to support part D on the structure as you can see. I previously inserted the two bolts and I could access them from below. So the only thing that I did was to use my hand to turn the bolt and to get them attached to the part D. That's the seat. In this moment, the seat is not attached to the structure. I'm laying on the ground, using my hand to turn the bolts and get both pieces attached. Now, as you can see, I turned to the other side and attached the other bolt. The structure is not very stable, so that's why I use my arm and my knee to get some support to turn the bolts tighter. The second step is to attach the left arm B to the seat D, which has been already assembled, and secure it with 4 bolts F. Now, as you can see, the seat is well attached to the arm, and I proceed to put it on the ground in order to use gravity to my advantage and position the other leg on top of this structure that was already assembled. Now I proceed to use the bolts and to use the X to tighten. In this moment, most of the structure is already assembled. As you can see, I can change the position of the structure and it completely maintains equilibrium. And finally, the step 3 is to attach the back of the seat labeled as C to the arms A and B as shown in this figure. We are going to use 4 bolts F to secure the back of the seat to both legs. Remember to use the X to tighten all of the bolts. It is important that all of them are well tight. And now the rocking chair is completely assembled and ready to use. If you already have the rocking chair, I hope that this tutorial was useful. But if you're thinking to buy a rocking chair, I would appreciate if you could use the Amazon link that's in the description of this video. It would help my channel to grow, since I'm providing free tutorials and education in physics and electronics for students at no cost. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.